offers, if you like, from Atlassian that are available because of the server end of life announcement. So Atlassian quite famously have a really simple pricing model. You go to their website, you see the price. If you like it, you buy it. Simple as that. I always use the analogy, it doesn't matter if you're the most, your Tesla or your Dave the Butcher from down the road, you pay the prices on the website. Simple as that. It's a really simple business model, and it allowed them to grow like they have very dramatically over the last decade or so. That being said, we're now in a slightly different world. They've announced an end of life of a core offering, which is their server behind the firewall product. The actual product won't be end of life for another few years anyway, so there's lots of time. But around that, they've created some special offers. These special offers are actually categorized under 4 big headings. What I've noticed from speaking to customers, and even myself, to be honest, is there's that many of them that it can be quite hard to wrap your head around. So that is the reason for today's little vlog. So I'm going to cut this video up into 4 core categories. Category number 1 is going to be data center. So listen carefully. Remember, come to me, come to my team, any questions, but this is what I'm going to share with you. Right. So for data users of data center, if you are a current customer, i.e. you have a server today and you want to buy data center, or greater data center, these are the core offers that you should be aware of. The incentive came in on the 2nd of February, so it's live now, right up to July the 1st, so basically the next quarter, i.e. let's buy by the 30th of June. You can buy Jira Software and Confluence up to 1,000 users of data center and get 25% discount off the current list price you see on the website. If you are looking at Jira Software and Confluence at 1,001 users and above, there's a 40% discount off the current published price. And if you're looking at Jira Service Desk, Bitbucket and Crowd at all user tiers of data center, there's a 40% discount off the listed price. So really, really good reason that if data center is on your roadmap to make that move before the end of June. That being said, once we then move to the sort of next set of offers that are available, this is all about the next calendar or financial year for Atlassian, which starts on July the 1st, 2021 and runs for a full year. So the offers after June the 30th this year are as follows. Jira Software and Confluence up to 1,000 users, 15% off. Jira Software and Confluence, 1,000 users, over 1,000 users, 30% off. Jira Service Desk, Bitbucket and Crowd, all user tiers, 30% off. So the difference between buying your data center and as a server customer before June the 30th is 25% before, for anyone up to 1,000 users, flips to 15 after July the 30th. If you're over 1,000 users, it's 40% before June the 30th, and after that it drops to 30. And for everything else, all the user tiers, all the different products, it's 40%, drops to 30% on July the 1st. So they're your big headlines for data center. Now, what's also worth considering for data center is the fact that there is data center app bundling that also has kicked in from February the 2nd, 2021. This is quite simple. This is the fact that Atlassian have bought up some of the key marketplace apps that work particularly well with data center and add functionality that most customers use. They now exist within the product. And these are for Jira Data Center, Jira Software Data Center, Advanced Roadmaps, which used to be called Portfolio, if you remember that, Portfolio for Jira. Will be integrated into Jira Software. So you don't have to buy Advanced Roadmaps or Portfolio for Jira. It exists in Jira Software Data Center. That's it. Confluence Data Center, team calendars for Confluence and analytics for Confluence, which were now included in Data Center. So the Confluence comes with those 2 apps. And Jira Service Management Data Center comes with Insights and Insight Discovery. So that, again, exceptionally popular product for your asset management. And this is really exciting. Priority support is also bundled in with Jira Software, Jira Service Management, Confluence, and Crowd Data Center, as well as Bitbucket Data Center for customers with 251 users or more. So you are getting more for your money as well within the data center serve offerings. Okay, let's talk about the cloud. So the phrase which you may have heard bounced around is what they're calling the cloud loyalty discount. So the cloud loyalty discount is really important to understand. It's for over 1,000 users. That's the first thing. And it's only eligible for the following products, what I would call the core products, which is your Jira Software Cloud, your Jira Core, Jira Service Desk Cloud, Confluence Cloud, and Atlassian built apps. They are Insight, which is asset management, team calendars, questions for Confluence, and training for Jira. What is not included is Jira Align, Atlassian Access, Bitbucket Cloud, Ops Genie, Status Page, Trello, and Help. So we're talking about 1,000 users of cloud and above. We're talking the core products, Jira, Jira Service Desk, Confluence, and then the Atlassian built apps. These are quite significant. So for a cloud subscription, if you buy it before July 1st, i.e. you place the order on June the 30th with a partner, you will get a 55% discount off the first year's subscription. Very significant. And then be eligible in year 2 for a 40% discount and in year 3 for a 20% discount. So 55, 40, 20. And that's it. So if you're a big user tier and you really fancy a move to the cloud, there is an opportunity to buy that cloud subscription, get locked into a 3-year deal, but still pay annually and still exit that deal should you not want to carry on for 3 years. So it's quite unique. Atlassian have never done this before. Highly recommend talking to a partner about it. Bring your use case to them. You know, we can help with that, and then let's just work through it and help you get those pricings together. So that's a good one. Remember, when you're thinking about cloud, marketplace apps are not part of this official discounting program. But if you, again, work with an app vendor or a partner, there's certainly conversations that could be had depending on your use case. I would definitely see that as a case by case, but let someone help you put that use case and business case together and help with that. Okay, so that, although it's a big topic, it's actually relatively simple. Big users of cloud, exceptionally good offers. Migration path. Again, what's in scope? Jira Software, Jira Core, Jira Service Desk, Confluence. What is not in scope is Bitbucket and Atlassian built apps. So it's a smaller subset this time. We're thinking cloud again, but the migration to the cloud. What Atlassian offering this time? Again, it's quite specific, and this covers all user tiers. This is where the user tiers under 1,000 start to come in. You can renew or whatever status your server maintenance is in. So you've got server, 500 users of Jira Software, for example, and your license is renewed until July 2022, for example. You can, as part of this offer, get a free cloud that matches your server. So you've got a Jira Software, 500 users. Its maintenance runs out in July 2022. You can, as part of this program, get a free Atlassian cloud to match your user tier of Jira and give yourself that time to migrate to the new cloud. For, you know, this is free right up until the end of the maintenance of that original instance. So in this example, July 2022. When you get there, obviously you stop paying for your server, Jira server maintenance, and then you just start paying the list price from that time period for your Jira cloud. That can be the same for Jira Core, same for Jira Service Desk, same for Confluence. Really good offer again to consider if you have a plan to move to the cloud. And it doesn't have to be overnight. That's the beauty of it. So again, work with a partner, discuss it, go into the detail, bring your use case, but that is what is termed the migration path offer. So that's offer number 3. This is called dual licensing. It's almost the reverse of the previous topic. So what that means is, in the big nutshell headline, pay for a new cloud, and you can take advantage of the other offers with this offer. So you can pay for a new cloud, for example, using the 55, 40, 20% discount 3-year offer for over 1,000 users if you take advantage of that. Once you buy it, you can then get free server licenses or DC licenses for the period that you've purchased that cloud for to help you migrate. So one of the options I talked about earlier was pay for your server license and then get a free cloud to help migrate. This is the reverse. Pay for a cloud, take advantage of some of the special offers, and your server renewal will be extended to match this cloud and give you time to migrate to the new cloud. So you're paying for a cloud, but not the server. The other one is the other way around. Eligible products for this offer is Jira Software, Jira Core, Jira Service Desk, and Confluence, so kind of the core products. And the Atlassian built apps are Advanced Roadmaps, Team Calendars, Questions for Confluence, Analytics for Confluence, and Insights. So this again is a really good offer. Already got plenty of migration customers taking advantage of it. Atlassian really are pulling out the stops to assist with this goal of moving you to the cloud, should that strategically work for you, and have put lots of things in place from a timing perspective to give you the time. So there are your 4 core headlines. Let's just quickly sort of spin over them. So there's the data center offers, there is the cloud loyalty discount, there's the migration path, number 3, and number 4 is dual licensing. So I hope that helped. Use a partner, leverage our experience for your use case, and good luck with it all. Thank you very much. See you later.